of preparation of the glycerin jelly. Glycerin jelly is a strand that is used to study the pollen morphology, the strand that is used to study the honeybee pollen, that is melisopelnology, the strand that is used to study the allergenic pollen and related disciplines. So this video will give you a brief and simple tips to preparation of the glycerin jelly. The material used for the preparation of glycerin jelly includes glycerol, gelatin, distilled water, safranine, phenol crystal. Put 50 ml of distilled water in a beaker for the preparation of glycerin jelly. The second step is to weight about 35 gram of gelatin for preparation of glycerin jelly. Here you see it is a gelatin. Here you see it is about 35 gram of gelatin that is used for the preparation of glycerin jelly. Now the next step is to put this gelatin into distilled water for heating on hot plate. The next step is to put this beaker on a hot plate and adjust the temperature of hot plate 70 to 80 degrees centigrade. So this is the heating process for preparation of glycerin jelly. For half an hour to heat this gelatin in distilled water at the temperature of 70 to 80 degrees centigrade. Next step is to put about 35 ml of glycerol or glycerin in a beaker. So this 35 ml glycerol or glycerin is added to the gelatin heated in distilled water. Next step is to add this glycerol in heated gelatin. Here you see the glycerol is added in a heated gelatin in distilled water. Next step is to add few crystals of phenolics or phenols to this mixture of gelatin, glycerol and distilled water. Here you see that is the addition of the phenolic crystals to this mixture for the preparation of glycerin jelly. The next step is to add 1% safranine in mixture of gelatin, glycerol and phenolic crystals. Here you see the addition of 1% safranine to making this glycerin jelly pinkish color or stain is just like a reddish or pinkish color. Next step is to put a stirrer in a mixture, and here you on the stirrer for 15 minutes. So this stirring process takes place about 15 minutes to make this glycerin jelly uniform color, that is pinkish color. Here you see the stirrer is moving to make this mixture uniform color. It is a stirring process of about 15 minutes for making this glycerin jelly uniform color. Now to check this prepared glycerin jelly for staining. So here we put our stamens on the slides and we will extract the pollen and put a drop of this prepared glycerin jelly on pollens of this plant to check the staining. Now I put a drop of acetic acid on flowers to separate the pollen. Here I crush the flowers to separate the pollen. Now I separate the flowers and just put a drop of this prepared jelly to check the suitability of the stain, either it is the suitable stain or not. Now we have to check this prepared slide under light microscope for the staining. Here you see we have stained the pollens, and you see on the computer the glycerin jelly prepared is excellent to stain the light pinkish pollen. Here you see It is the triculprit pollen where you see the three culpi, three pores. So this is called a triculprit, and it's an excellent stand by this prepared glycerin jelly. Now I repeat our process of preparation of the glycerin jelly. First we have started from the addition of 35 gram of gelatin and 50 ml of distilled water and heating for half an hour at the temperature of 70 to 80 degrees centigrade. After heating, we have added the few phenol crystals and 35 ml of glycerol. After this, we added 1% safranin for making this jelly pink color, and then this stirring process for 15 minutes.